Hello everyone, and welcome to today's session. I want to share a simple message with you. Your life is too precious to waste. Every day you wake up, you are given a new chance, a fresh opportunity to grow, to learn, and to become a better version of yourself. Learning English is not just about grammar, vocabulary, or long lists of rules. It is about unlocking your future. It is about opening doors, connecting with the world, and discovering new possibilities. But here is the truth: nothing changes until you decide to change. You must make a choice to stop waiting, stop doubting, and start improving. Making every day count begins with understanding the true value of time. Each day that passes becomes a piece of your life you can never get back. And this simple truth carries a powerful message. What you choose to do with your time shapes who you become. When you start seeing every day as an opportunity, an open space filled with potential, you naturally begin to make better choices. You start using your hours with purpose, not just letting them slip away without meaning. Time is like currency, but unlike money, you can never earn it again. Once a day is gone, it is gone forever. Which is why learning to treat your time with respect is one of the most important skills you can develop. People often wait for the right moment to improve their life, but the right moment is always now. The present day is the only time you have control over, and using it wisely creates momentum for your future. When you recognize the value of your time, you begin to understand that even small steps matter. You don't need giant achievements every day. What matters is that you move forward, that you build habits, and that you refuse to waste your hours on things that don't help you grow. Every day offers a chance to learn something new, to build a skill, to improve your mindset, or to get closer to your goals. It's not about perfection or pressure, it's about direction. If your direction is right, your progress will eventually show. People who succeed are not always the most talented or the smartest. They are the ones who use their time wisely. They focus on what matters, they take action instead of waiting, and they understand that progress comes from consistency, not from rare moments of extreme effort. Making each day count also means evaluating what you give your attention to. Every minute you spend scrolling aimlessly, worrying unnecessarily, or delaying important actions is a minute you could have used to build your future. Time has a powerful way of revealing what we value. If you value growth, your actions will show it. If you value learning, your habits will reflect it. If you value your dreams, your daily routine will support them. You cannot control everything that happens in your life, but you can control how you spend your day. You can choose what to prioritize. You can choose what to ignore. You can choose who you want to become, one day at a time. When you begin making conscious choices about your time, you start feeling more confident and more in control of your life. You stop drifting and start directing your energy. You stop hoping and start acting. You stop wasting time and start investing it. This shift in mindset transforms ordinary days into meaningful steps toward a brighter future. Each day becomes a chance to learn, to practice, to improve, and to move forward with purpose. Small daily English practice builds big progress, because learning a language is a process of steady accumulation rather than sudden transformation. Every time you read a short paragraph, listen to a short audio clip, or practice a few sentences, you strengthen your understanding a little more. These small efforts may look insignificant in the moment, but they work like building blocks. Each one adds a new layer of confidence and skill, shaping your ability to communicate more naturally over time. People often underestimate how powerful daily habits are, thinking that only long study sessions create improvement, but the truth is that short, consistent practice stays in your mind more effectively. When you practice English daily, you keep the language alive in your memory. You avoid long gaps that cause you to forget vocabulary, grammar patterns, or pronunciation. Even 10 minutes a day can train your brain to think in English more quickly and respond more confidently. The progress feels slow at first because meaningful improvement happens gradually, but these small steps quietly build a strong foundation. Over weeks and months, you begin to notice that understanding becomes easier, speaking becomes smoother, and sentences form more naturally. Daily practice also reduces pressure. When your routine includes just a few minutes of English every day, you don't feel overwhelmed. You don't feel like you need to master everything at once. Instead, you focus on small, manageable tasks, reading a short story, learning 5 new words, listening to a motivational clip, or writing a simple paragraph. These little actions create consistency, and consistency creates progress. The power of daily practice lies not in how much you study at one time, but in how often you return to the process. Every small step keeps you moving forward, strengthens your language muscles, and brings you closer to fluency without stress. Motivation begins with your decision to start, because no amount of advice, inspiration, or resources can create change until you choose to take the first step yourself. Many people wait for the perfect time, the perfect mood, or the perfect situation before they begin something important, but perfection never arrives. What actually creates momentum is not the feeling of motivation, but the act of starting. When you make a clear decision to begin, even before you feel fully ready, you activate a powerful psychological shift. You move from thinking to doing, from wishing to acting, from hoping to building. That single choice opens the door to progress, and once the door is open, everything becomes easier to follow through. This decision to start is often the hardest moment because it requires courage. It requires you to step out of your comfort zone, to challenge your doubts, and to believe in your ability to grow. But once you take that initial step, something changes inside you. You begin to create your own motivation. You begin to see small signs of progress. You begin to feel that improvement is possible. And that feeling fuels you to continue. The cycle becomes clear: action produces motivation. Motivation produces more action. And this cycle pushes you forward day after day. When it comes to learning English, the decision to start is everything. You might feel shy, embarrassed, or afraid of making mistakes, but waiting will not make those fears disappear. Starting will. The moment you begin practicing, even if it's just reading one line, listening to one sentence, or speaking one word, you break the barrier that has been holding you back. You prove to yourself that you are capable. You begin building confidence step by step. You begin replacing fear with familiarity. The decision to start also helps you develop discipline. Once you commit, you naturally begin to create a routine. You find time for learning because you have already decided that it matters. You may still face challenges, distractions, or moments of low energy, but your initial decision becomes your anchor. It reminds you why you began, and it keeps you moving even when motivation feels weak. Every meaningful achievement in life begins with a simple choice. The choice to start learning, start improving, start changing. No one else can make that decision for you. It is your responsibility and your power. And once you take that first step, you discover that the path is not as difficult as you imagined. You realize that progress comes from movement, not perfection. And you understand that motivation is not something you wait for, but something you create through action. Consistency is more powerful than perfection because real growth does not happen in sudden bursts of effort. It happens in the steady rhythm of showing up again and again. Many people delay their progress because they wait for ideal conditions, perfect results, or a flawless plan before they take action. But perfection is an illusion, and waiting for it only leads to lost time. Consistency, on the other hand, is real. It is practical. It is something you can control every single day, no matter how small the effort may be. When you commit to being consistent, you give yourself the permission to improve gradually, naturally, and without pressure. You allow yourself the space to make mistakes, learn from them, and continue moving forward without feeling discouraged. Being consistent builds habits, and habits create transformation. Every time you repeat an action, whether reading a page, practicing English for 10 minutes, or listening to a short lesson, you strengthen a pattern in your mind. This pattern becomes easier each time until it becomes automatic. Once a habit forms, you no longer need huge amounts of motivation to continue. You simply follow the routine you've built. This is why consistency is far more effective than scattered moments of intense effort. 1 hour of practice done once a month cannot compete with 10 minutes done daily. The brain learns through repetition, not through occasional intensity. Consistency also teaches discipline. When you show up on days when you don't feel inspired, when you're tired, or when you're busy, you build mental strength. You train yourself to keep going even when conditions aren't perfect. This discipline becomes a powerful force in your life, helping you stay focused on your goals and preventing distractions from pulling you away from what truly matters. Over time, you begin to trust yourself more. You see that you can rely on your own effort, and this trust boosts your confidence. Another reason consistency is more powerful than perfection is that it reduces fear. Perfectionists often avoid starting because they are afraid of doing things imperfectly. But when you commit to showing up consistently, you accept that mistakes are part of the process. You stop expecting flawless results and start valuing progress instead. This shift frees you from unnecessary pressure. It gives you permission to learn openly, try new things, and grow without the fear of failure weighing you down. In language learning especially, mistakes are fuel for improvement. The more you practice, the more your mind adapts, and the less intimidating the process becomes. With consistency, progress becomes visible. You may not notice the change day by day, but little by little your skills strengthen. Words that once felt difficult become familiar. Sentences that once took effort flow more smoothly. Confidence that once seemed impossible begins to grow. These small improvements accumulate quietly until one day you look back and realize how far you've come. Consistency turns ordinary days into meaningful steps toward your future. And what once felt challenging becomes part of your identity because you built it through steady, repeated effort. Learning English opens new opportunities for your future because language is one of the most powerful tools for connection, growth, and advancement. In today's world, English is not just a subject, it is a gateway to information, communication, and global understanding. When you learn English, you gain access to knowledge that may not be available in your own language. You can read international books, watch informative content, understand global news, and learn from people across different cultures. This exposure helps you grow intellectually and gives you a broader view of the world, allowing you to think more confidently and make informed decisions. English also creates opportunities for better education and career advancement. Many universities, professional courses, and job positions require a certain level of English proficiency. When you have strong communication skills, you stand out among others. You can express your ideas clearly, work with international teams, attend interviews with confidence, and explore job markets beyond your own country. Employers value people who can communicate globally, solve problems effectively, and adapt to diverse environments. Learning English gives you these advantages and helps you build a stronger professional future. Another opportunity that comes from learning English is personal growth. As you learn the language, you also improve your discipline, consistency, and confidence. You begin to trust yourself more because you see your progress. You feel proud when you understand something that once felt difficult. You become more comfortable expressing your thoughts, meeting new people, and stepping into new experiences. This personal development creates a positive impact in every area of your life. Whether it's traveling, studying, working, or simply communicating with others, English becomes a powerful companion that supports your goals and dreams.